In this video, I want to talk about how you can send crypto from eToro to wallet. So I'll show you how you can send it to your eToro wallet as well as to an external wallet. So what you need to do is you need to download the app called eToro Money. eToro Money is like a wallet for only cryptocurrencies, and this is where you can send your crypto, and this is also where you can send it to another wallet. So download the app called eToro Money, and you can download this from the App Store. It's a mobile app. Once you've done this, what we need to do is we need to transfer our crypto from eToro to the wallet. So to do this, I'm on a demo account, so I cannot do this. But what you need to do is you need to just simply do these steps right here. You want to go to portfolio, select your crypto. Inside of there, click on the position, and then you want to transfer to wallet. Once you've done this, we now have it on our eToro Money. And then if you want to send it to another wallet, you can do that, or you can just keep it inside of the eToro Money wallet. But if you want to send it to another one, open up eToro Money, go to the crypto tab, and then select the crypto. It can be Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, or whatever. Enter the address you want to send it to, enter how much, and then just confirm it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.